Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can get a backlink from tumblr.com. Let's get started. First of all, head over to tumblr.com. Now click on sign me up. Now you can sign up with Google, Apple or with your email. I'll continue with Google. Now select your Gmail ID. Click continue. Write the blog name here. Select your date of birth. Click next. This blog name is taken, so I can write Decorous Interior. Let's check this one. Click next. So this is available. Now follow some topics. Now click next. Now follow some accounts. Click next. Now from here, click on text. Now add the title here. Let's write the title. Let's copy the bio and paste here. Now you can add your website link here by writing visit and pasting the website URL. Or you can select any text. For example, if I want this to be the anchor text, I can select it and then I can click on here, inline link. And here I can paste the link. Click done. So I have two links, this one and this one. You can keep the one whichever you like. Now click on post now. Now click on settings and from blogs, select your blog. So this is how you can get backlinks from tumblr.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more backlink strategies and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.